Hello, this video is to help you get rid of or lower the volume of sounds in Minecraft, like the ghast sound, which I particularly despise. It's a lot of opening files and folders and changing things. You will need Audacity, which is a free program. It's been around forever. It's free, open source. It's a good program, fun to have on your computer anyways. And the only other thing you will need is a program like 7-zip to unzip and compress folders and files. Let's go and get started. First thing, let's kind of download Audacity, then set up your desktop similar to this. You only need Audacity for a small part of it. But we do need a new folder, just some sort of temporary folder on our desktop for workspace. So we'll call it temp, and then we'll go ahead and open that. And so the next thing is we need to set up our sound pack file hierarchy. So in here we want to do a new folder and call it assets, and then go into that folder and call it a new folder, and we'll call it Minecraft. And then in that folder we're going to be putting something else. So go ahead and open that. So it should be temp, assets, Minecraft, and that's where we are there. Then go up here to this top folder and we go to our app data. So all you have to do is type %app data %. If you're doing this video, you probably know that. And then go into Minecraft. Then you want to go into assets, then virtual, legacy, sounds, plural, not sound, but sounds, plural. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. And we're going to copy the whole folder. So copy, and we're going to go in here and paste it down below. And this should just take a second. And there we go. So we have that. There are some other things that we can put into this folder, like the metadata file and the PNG. The easiest way to do that is to look at an example resource pack. So let's go back up in here to Minecraft and look at some resource packs that I already have. And we will, well, here's the old example pack. So let's go ahead and open that up. But it'll work with anyone. Like if I wanted to do OCD pack, right? So I could select it and then with 7-zip or your zip program, open archive, and we have the pack PNG and the pack MC metadata, Minecraft metadata. So you can literally just, you can probably just drag them, drag and drop. All right, we don't want to do it to the whole folder because these assets are different. Notice that this is a text pack and not a texture pack and not a sound pack. But if it is a sound pack, you could just copy that over and start messing with the files that way. So now that we have that information here, we need to change the information. So this one's easy. The metadata, just double click it, and you'll get a little notepad like this. And this basically just names what's in there. So description is what you would want to change in example sound pack. We'll call it Mac Bigs, right? And you would like to file, save. And then the PNG you can just open with even paint. Open it with paint, and we will just, it doesn't matter. You can spend time doing this, but la da 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 da, right? We don't want to call it OCD because that's their thing. And then we'll just put a big green X so we know that this is the one that we're talking about. File, save. And that's it. Pretty much our pack is set up. Now we have to do the actual changing of the sound. So this is pretty easy. You go into sounds here, and you want to go to whatever sounds you want to change. I would like to get rid of ghast sounds. So I'm going to go to mob, then I'm going to go to ghast. Okay, then here are all the sounds that the ghasts have. So we want to hit Control A, and we're just going to drag and drop those into Audacity. And it'll put each of the sounds on a separate track. All right, so there's tons of sounds there. And if we play them all at once, it'll be kind of scary. I warned you. So that's why we want to get rid of those sounds, is because they're just annoying. Now I can mute them, I can make them so quiet you can't hear them in the game, but I'm going to just make them a lot lower. So again, we want to make sure we're in this folder, hit Control A to select all. Then you're going to go to Effect, and there's tons of effects. If you want to mess with it and change all the sounds, that's great. But we just want to go to Effect, Amplify, and we're going to lower the bar. So I'm going to lower it like down to negative 47, and then just take another listen. Alright, that's much better. And I think with the other sounds in the game, that may not even be audible, but we'll see. So the next thing is we need to get these files to overwrite the files that are in the folder. So we need to go to File, Export Multiple, and then we need to find the folder where these assets are. So we want to click Choose and then go through our menu items here. So I'm going to do that real quick. So here we are, desktop, temp, sounds, right? And then we messed with the ghasts sounds, so we want to go to mob, and then we want to click on the folder ghasts. So now we're in the right place. We're going to click OK, and we're going to click export over in Audacity. And then we don't need to edit anything. We just want to click OK on all of these, and you're going to click OK through all of those. And then you get one final screen. It says successful, 16 files, click OK. So now it doesn't look like anything's happened over here, but these sounds have been changed, and we don't really need Audacity anymore. So we're going to go back in this temporary folder, and we want to, at this point, I'm sorry. Okay, so I did things a little bit wrong. We need to take these two files right here that I put in this folder, and we're going to cut those, and we're going to go back to the assets page, right? Or the assets. I'm sorry, the temp folder that has the assets in it. We're going to paste those there, just like that. So it'll go assets, pack, MC metadata, and then pack PNG. And if you're never sure about that, you can always go back and look at an example, because sometimes it can be confusing with all the different ones. You can always open archive and look at how it's set up here. Yes, it's set up there. Good, we're good. So the next thing is we want to compress these, which is easy. We just select all of them, right click, and we want to go down to where it says send to compressed zip folder. So we want to do that, and that'll take just a second. And when that's done, you'll get a zip file that appears in that same folder. So to check it, we want to right click it, open archive with zip and assets pack. That looks good. Everything looks good, sounds awesome. So we can close it again. And then the only thing that we need is this zip file. So let's go ahead and rename it. Mac example pack sound, something like that. And then we want to find in our Minecraft folder up here, we want to go to resource packs, and we're going to copy that and paste it over to there. So select it, right click, copy, go up here, right click, paste, and there it is now in our resource pack folder. So when we open up Minecraft, we should see that, and let's go ahead and do that. And by the way, this temp folder can now be deleted. So here we are in Minecraft now, and let's hear the original. And then we can go in and we can go select our new resource pack. I think we put a green X on it. There it is. Click it over. Doesn't change the textures, just the sounds. Done. And let's hear it again. Alright, that's how you do it. A more peaceful nether for you. I hope this video helped, and we got it done under 10 minutes, and you can do that with any sound in the game. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.